Hello and welcome you all to Tech Cost YouTube channel. First of all, hats off to everyone who has subscribed, liked and comment on my channel. Today I will show you 6 tips to earn more cash on clipclaps. This will be so important for students and beginners to make some extra cash on your leisure time. I know everyone trying to make their income in different ways. In my channel, I will help you to find these different ways to make money online. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, if you are interested in technology and online money, keep this channel subscribed. I will post videos in every Wednesday, Friday and Saturday. Now I will explain 6 methods that you can earn more money on clipclaps. Do not skip any of the steps out of this. If you have heard about this app for the first time, follow the link in description and install it. You can sign up it with your Gmail easily. Other thing is you can earn $1 for sign up. For that, click on this reward tab. Next on this redeem tab. After that, enter this number to make your free $1. Now let's talk about the first method that you can earn more money on clipclaps. Number 1. You can simply upload your videos in clipclaps to earn money. For that, click this upload video button. When you upload your videos, make sure your videos are not contain any watermarks or copyright issue. I will show you an easy step to make videos easy without any copyright issue. For that, go to clipclaps.com. Clipclaps is a site that contains a lot of videos without any copyright issue. You can use this for anything. Download some videos and make an attractive video with your video editor and simply upload them to clipclaps. When a lot of people watching your videos, you can earn clipclap coins. You can convert these clipclap coins into dollars. Second method is playing games. You can see a lot of games are here. You can play these games and earn more clip coins. Clip coins mean money. Third method is invest clap coins. When you tap this tab, you can see that when you invest some clap coins, you can earn profit from several days. In this method, you can earn more clap coins. More clap coins means more cash. Fourth method is very important method for you. Is free coins. When you go to free coins tab, you can see so many tasks are here. As example, watch this task. From here, you can earn up to 2.5 million clap coins. Here you have 12 tasks to complete. When you complete these tasks one by one, you can earn more clap coins. At this end, you can start to earn. More clap coins mean more cash. Fifth method is watch videos of others. You can watch others' videos and earn more clap coins. When you watch others' videos, you can see in this corner, clap coins are beginning to mining. More clap coins mean more cash. Sixth method is clap coin store. After you earn clap coins from above steps, you can simply invest some money to buy these steps and win more cash and clap coins. More clap coins mean more cash. So that's it. I think you have got some ideas about clipclap to make some extra cash on your leisure time. If you are interested in this video, please thumbs up and make your comments below. That will really helpful for me. If you are not subscribed yet, keep in touch with me by subscribing. For more videos, press the bell icon to find my videos easily. Let's meet from a new video. Have a nice